For those of you who are wondering how to do Skittles, freeze-dried Skittles are very popular. You can buy them on Etsy. A lot of candy makers make them now. It's pretty simple. You dump in the bag and you run your freeze dryer. That's it. That's all it is. And just make sure you don't overstuff them or you'll end up with them sticking together. One thing I did notice about freeze drying the Skittles is that there's a little bit of, I guess, condensation at the end of the cycle, so make sure you separate them as they dry, finish drying. The inside is obviously dry, but there's condensation that might make it go back to sticky. So super fun. We'll definitely do Skittles over and over and over and again. These are going into some gifts for family members who've never tried freeze-dried Skittles. They're not as easily available here in Canada, and really excited about being able to share them. So this is the berry blend if you're interested, and it's delish. This is the culinary section. We're going to mostly do freeze-dried items, and some of them will be for cosmetic purposes. I have different drying trays for my cosmetic ingredients and different ones for my culinary purposes. But there's a nice close-up, get you nice and dizzy. So Skittles are awesome, and they're even more awesome freeze-dried because they don't stick to your teeth. There is a little bit of chewiness that develops as you eat them, but they are delish. So definitely, if you have a freeze dryer or know someone with a freeze dryer, get yourself a bag of Skittles and give them a try. All right, if you enjoyed this, please click like and subscribe and come back to the Jen Spice channel. For our culinary section of Jen Spice, we will be mostly freeze drying for 2022 and maybe in the foreseeable future. Loving it. You will see also some raw ingredient processing being done in our freeze dryer because we are just freeze drying everything. All right, bye for now. Don't forget to like and subscribe and come on back. Bye.